V6 engine explained in the automobile industry. The V6 engine is one of the most powerful ones. The engine is renowned for its refined performance and high fuel efficiency. Being smaller than 4- and 8-cylinder engines, it is also one of the most compact engine designs. The term V6 engine refers to a V-shaped engine with 6 cylinders arranged on the crankshaft in 2 banks of 3 cylinders, typically at a 60 or 90-degree angle to one another. The V6 engine is one of the smallest engine types available, with a typical displacement of 2.0 L to 4.3 L, although considerably larger examples have been built for use in vehicles. It is smaller than an inline 4 and more compact than a V8 engine. The V6 works well with the common transverse engine front-wheel drive configuration due to its compact length. So, let's learn about the V6 engine. Regardless of the V-angle between the cylinder banks, all V6 engines with even firing spacing are subject to a main imbalance brought on by each bank having an inline 3 engine due to the odd number of cylinders in each bank. 6 cylinders are placed in a V shape in a V6 engine. 4 operations take place in the cylinders: intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust. A fuel-air combination is drawn in during the intake stroke and compressed during the compression stroke. The mixture is ignited during the combustion stroke, causing an explosion that drives the piston downward and produces power. Lastly, the burned gases are released during the exhaust stroke. The V6 architecture balances power and compactness, making it a popular choice for bigger and mid-sized vehicles. In the modern era of high fuel prices and price-conscious consumers, the V6 is commercially successful in mid-size cars because it is less expensive to build, consumes less fuel than the V8, and runs smoother in larger sizes than the inline 4, which experiences increasingly severe vibration issues as engine size increases. The smaller 60 degrees V6 will fit in most engine compartments built for an i4, proving to be a more powerful and smoother alternative engine than the 4. The wider 90 degrees V6 will fit in an engine compartment meant for a V8, providing a low-cost alternative to the V8 in an expensive car. Although not completely smooth, the V6 is more refined than the i4, inline 4, and suitable for the majority of consumers. Although larger and smaller examples, including the 1991 Mazda MX-3, 2, and the Rover KV6 engine, have been developed, the typical displacement of modern V6 engines is 2.0 to 4.3 L, 120 to 260 cu-in. Power and performance. V6 engines typically provide a good balance of power and performance. They offer more power compared to smaller engines like inline 4 cylinders while being more fuel efficient than larger engines like V8s. V6 engines can deliver smooth acceleration and ample power for most driving needs. Smooth operation. The V6 configuration inherently provides good balance and smoothness, as the 2 banks of cylinders work in harmony. This results in reduced vibrations and better overall engine refinement. Compact size. V6 engines are generally more compact than larger engines, such as V8s, which allows for better packaging within the engine bay. This can be beneficial for vehicles with limited space under the hood or for front-wheel drive vehicles where engine space is often at a premium. Versatility. V6 engines find applications in a wide range of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, crossovers, and even some sports cars. Their versatility makes them suitable for various driving preferences and requirements. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.